Hey, don't click away. Today I will be reviewing Refox's latest dust-free workstation, the DF40 Desktop Cleaner. What is up, everyone? Thanks for tuning in and checking out this episode. I am Javi Guzman with Mr. Phone Doctor. We are tech enthusiasts who specialize in mobile device repair, refurbishing equipment, and training. Today, I will be showing you Refox's latest clean station, the DF40 Desk Cleaner. You all know how important it is to have a clean workstation, whether you are laminating or applying screen protectors. The last thing you want is a speck of dust or dirt to get underneath the screen, causing you rework, which can lead to damage and wasted time. So today I will be showing you all of its features and see how well it reduces any dust particles in a normal work environment. Let's first begin on the price and where to get it. The Refox DF40 costs anywhere between $150 to $200 shipped. We currently have them available on sale on our website for $150. I will leave links down below to purchase if you are interested in the description area. This machine is equipped with functions such as lighting, dust display, and removal to ensure a spotless workspace. Additionally, this device has two modes of light, a white light on top and a green light down below to help illuminate and reveal any lurking dust particles easily. And if you notice, all this is activated using one of the 3-touch activated controls. The first one is dust detection. By touching this icon, you will notice that you can enable the lower green dust lamp. The second icon on here is going to be your lighting lamp, which is located on top and helps illuminate your work area. And the last one is going to be your fan switch. By touching on here, you will notice that you enable all the fans inside here. So this allows you to have a dust-free work area by the fans blowing any air away from your object that you're cleaning in front of your station. This is very helpful when you are in the final stages of cleaning and are ready to either laminate a screen or apply a screen protector. The fan flow will help to blow any dust particles away from your work area. Now let's take a look at the back. If you notice, you will see cotton filter attached here that'll help eliminate any kind of dust particles floating around and will catch them instead of them blowing onto your work area. So to demonstrate, we will be using an 11 Pro Max screen. I will clean it first with the fan on, and we will see if we are able to eliminate any kind of dust particles from falling onto the screen. So in case you all are wondering, the green light is actually our dust detector. This allows us to view any kind of particles or imperfections that may show up on the screen, which is very, very handy. So the screen is looking pretty. A few more small little pieces of glue I do want to remove. And remember, our main point of this is we just want to see how long we can leave this out in a normal work environment without it getting any kind of dust particles to fall onto the display panel. And there we have it clean. So let's set my timer and see how long we have before we get any kind of particles showing up. But as of now, I don't see anything that has floated onto here. It's looking as good as it was after I cleaned it. There's a few little scratches on here, but overall this is holding up pretty well. Now keep in mind, after you do clean this, it's a fast application. You got to work quickly when you're applying the glass to ochre. That way you don't have any open glue in open air. So the faster you work, the less likely you are to get any kind of dust or debris in between your screen. And of course, when you're doing this, make sure that you're doing this with rubber gloves. We want to make sure that you're protecting your hands from any kind of particles falling off onto the screen. I mean, overall, I really do think that this is a pretty good machine. Definitely going to help save you guys some money from those other larger workstations that you can purchase, which are in the couple $1,000s. So, you know, for small mom and pop shops, you guys want to keep everything very small and minimal. This definitely is going to be the way to go. And it's a nice subtle amount of air. It's nothing too strong, so it's really, really cool. So that's going to pretty much wrap up my video, guys. I really hope you got some useful information and saw how well the DF40 works. Once again, if you do want to purchase it, feel free to visit our web store. And if you have any questions, comments, leave them down in the comments area and I'll get back to each and every one of y'all. Surgeon signing out. Cheers.